Hello and welcome to yet another video on Claude, presented by your mentor Vivek. Last unit, Claude built us Excel, Word, PowerPoint files. Ever wondered how? A skill did that. And you can build your own, so Claude follows your playbook the same way every single time. Plan, note up front. Skills are a feature preview on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise. On Free, watch anyway, know what's coming. So, what exactly is a skill? An expertise package, a folder of instructions, scripts, and resources that Claude loads only when the task needs it. One folder, one specialized job, same way every time. Anthropic ships built-in skills for every paid user. That's how Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and PDF creation actually work. They fire automatically. You never call them by name. And then, custom skills. Your workflows packaged. A quarterly variance analysis, a brand voice review, a compliance checklist. Whatever you do repeatedly, a skill can do it your way. Switching them on takes seconds. Settings, then capabilities. Turn code execution and file creation on. Skills need that sandboxed environment, and the skills toggles appear. Team plans, on by default. Enterprise, your org owner enables it in admin first. Using them, you don't, Claude does. It picks the right skill on its own, visibly in the chain of thought. Output lands as a downloadable file or straight into Google Drive. It works on your files too. Upload a spreadsheet, deck, doc, or PDF. Claude hands back a new version, never editing the original in place. If a skill needs the internet, an allow limited network access toggle appears. Your call. Now the best part, you build a skill by talking. Tell Claude the skill you want, answer its interview questions. Upload reference material. Save the generated skill file. Done. No code, just conversation. Managing them is just as easy. The Customize tab in the sidebar lists every skill you have. Open one, or simply ask Claude to edit it. Iterate by chatting. At Brightcart, we built a product listing style skill. Title format, tone, the exact bullet structure for specs. Now every product description comes out on brand, whoever asks for it. Last confusion to kill. Skills versus projects. Projects store knowledge, the what. Skills perform the process, the how. And they combine beautifully. A skill can pull from your project's knowledge while it works. One safety rule. Install custom skills only from sources you trust and review outside skills before use. Yours stay private to your account. That wraps section 2. Next, a new section, connectors, plugging Claude straight into the tools you already use. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.